This is a wolf. She is the largest canine that walks on 4 paws and lives on land. She is a highly social creature that forms a pack with her family. Wolves depend on each other, not only for the ability to hunt large prey, but also in care and protection. They nurture the sick and wounded and look after each other's young. The young wolves will learn the hunting strategies that have proven to be successful. Every pack has its own way of hunting, so you could say that every pack is passing down their unique hunting culture. But before they can even start their hunt, they need to be incredibly good at collaborating and communicating. Wolves can use scent to identify prey from almost 3 kilometers away, to signal pack members and to identify territorial boundaries. Usually, the alpha male will urinate alongside the border of his pack's territory. Urinating is one of the most important forms of scent communication. This is a salmon. She is a fish that lives in cold waters and swims with 7 fins. The salmon is a social creature that lives in schools and travels the ocean. Salmon can navigate through magnetic fields on Earth. This way, she can still travel thousands of kilometers with her school and still locate the entrance of the stream or river where she was born. Once she has reached maturity, they will gather at the entrance of this stream. Not just one school, but thousands of salmon all together. The salmon will start swimming in one major wave. This event is called the salmon run. By going with so many at a time, it increases their chances of survival. By being in these large groups, they can share information and bundle their capabilities. But their intelligence expands even beyond that. Salmon can learn from each other, just by watching the other salmon doing it. These abilities are highly valuable during their long journey. This is a bat. She flies through the night sky and sleeps upside down. Bats live in large colonies that can consist of millions of individuals. But living in these large colonies creates a problem for them: diseases. When a bat is feeling unwell, she will isolate herself from the colony. This way, she limits the chance of infecting somebody else. Bats use echolocation to take in the world around them. They do this by making ultrasonic noises. Sound waves bounce off objects and back to the bat. Echolocation helps them to see during the night and to estimate depth and distance better. Because they live in such large colonies, communication is very important. Not only to warn each other or to exchange locations, but also to argue. Bats argue about their sleeping position, males making unwanted mating advances, and last but not least, about food. Bats are highly social animals. They can form networks with friends and relatives and cultivate long-term, stable personal relationships. This is a human. She is a hairless ape that lives on land and walks on 2 feet. Humans are highly social creatures that you can find all over the world. Physically, she is not very strong, fast, or impressive. But that's the strange thing about humans. You shouldn't look at them individually, but as a group. Humans depend on each other, and their abilities have evolved in such a way that they fit perfectly within this context. They are incredibly good at communicating, collaboration, and learning from each other. This gives them the ability to pass down and expand the intelligence of generations before them. Being able to live in large groups and collaborate were key to surviving as an individual. Defining intelligence is a complicated subject. We have always believed that intelligence separates us from other animals. You can even find this in the official name of our species, Homo Sapiens, which means wise man. But we are the ones who gave ourselves this title, and we are the ones who defined the meaning of intelligence. So, how accurate can this perspective be?